If people want to stop playing your game, then it's probably because it's missing at least one of these 4 things. Most game designers, including me, typically get some of these wrong. Let's talk about the first one, rewards. Scott Rogers says that most game designers are great at making people feel bad about themselves, but we're not so good at making them feel good about themselves. We all know how to punish a player and then mock them as they fail. One of the hardest things to do is to reward someone for succeeding in your game. When a player completes a challenge, make it feel as exciting as possible. Use things like positive sound effects, encouraging text, in-game rewards, and as much confetti as possible. Seriously, your chances of success increase by about 1,000,000,000% when including confetti. I'm just kidding, but you get the point. When someone achieves something, try and reward them. Make it exciting to succeed at your game. If players are progressing in your game, but don't know that they are, and don't feel good about doing it, then something's wrong. Let's talk about the second thing, competition. Players love to compete with others, but they also enjoy competing with themselves. Setting high scores and beating records are huge motivators for people to keep playing games. Games like Tetris stay engaging because people want to constantly improve. If people feel like they could always get just a little bit better at your game, that's great. It'll keep them playing. Now, I know this might sound obvious, like of course people like to compete with others, and of course they like to set high scores. But does your game really show players what they did well and how they can improve? Does it really give them a goal? Halo Infinite gives players detailed stats about their performance after a game. There's nothing like being given a report of exactly how bad you are. As you're designing your game, think about how you can show people where they can get better and how they can improve at your game. This will really make them want to keep playing. The third thing that we're going to talk about is novelty. Games need to introduce new elements or reuse old ones in new ways to keep things interesting. Give players time to learn and then surprise them with something new right when they've thought they've seen everything. Plants vs. Zombies is great at this. Players learn the system, they learn how to defeat the enemies, and all of a sudden, the game throws something entirely new and unexpected at them. Like the zombie bobsled team. I'll have nightmares about that forever. Think about how you can introduce new things throughout your game, and how you can keep players guessing as to what's coming next. This will seriously help engagement, and will make the game more interesting overall. The fourth thing that will keep players playing your game is having a strong community. Games like Minecraft and World of Warcraft stay alive because of their huge communities driving the game, and also because of their constant updates, which add novelty. Playing with others will always increase engagement for your game. I probably would not have decided to play Valheim on my own because I'm not really that into survival games. But I decided to play it because I wanted to do it with a friend, and it turned out to be a really great game, and I had a ton of fun doing it. But it would not have been the same without someone else to do it with. Community can really increase engagement in your game. But how can you set up community? Some games do this really well. For example, Wordle gives people the option to post their scores after they play. This is an ingenious integration of social media with the game, which is what drove its huge success. Think about ways that you can promote community for your game. There are 4 things that will make it more likely that people will continue to play your game: rewards, competition, novelty, and community. Having all of these things in your game, if possible, can greatly increase the odds of someone playing it for hours and hours on end. If you design your game around these, it will be more engaging. If you want more game design content like this, why not hit subscribe and then watch whatever video is on the screen right now. I'll see you in the next one.